Hello students, I am Diya Kashyap from Diya Educates. Welcome to my channel Science Ki Udaan. और हम पढ़ रहे हैं केमिकल रिएक्शन। देखिए, तो अभी तक केमिकल रिएक्शन में हमने काफ़ी टाइप्स पढ़ ली हैं एंड वी हैव रीच्ड ऑन द लास्ट टाइप दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन विच व्हेन क्लब्ड अप कॉल्ड एज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। तो देखिए, रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन वो होता है व्हेन ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन both occur simultaneously, that is called as redox reaction. तो ये तो हो गई हमारी टेक्निकल डेफिनेशन, राइट। सो जब ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन साइमल्टेनियसली होते हैं तो उसको हम बोलते हैं रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। बट द क्वेश्चन इज दिस नाउ दैट व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन एंड व्हाट इज रिडक्शन, देन ओनली वील कम टू नो दैट विच रिएक्शंस आर अकरिंग साइमल्टेनियसली एंड व्हाट इज रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। तो देखिए, हमारे पास पहले हम ऑक्सीडेशन को पढ़ लेते हैं। सो व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन? देखिए, उस रिएक्शन को आप ऑक्सीडेशन कहते हो जिसमें एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन दिखे। कोई भी रिएक्शन जिसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रहा हो उसको आप एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन बुलाते हो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से मेरे पास मैग्नीशियम है, इसमें मैं ऑक्सीजन डाल रही हूँ। मैग्नीशियम रिएक्ट्स विद ऑक्सीजन टू फॉर्म मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड। अब देखिए, यहाँ पे मैग्नीशियम अकेला था और यहाँ पे इसके साथ ऑक्सीजन अटैच हो गया। तो दिस अटैचिंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन टू एन एलिमेंट, दैट मीन्स दिस रिएक्शन इज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, राइट। Similarly, we have another way of identifying the oxidation reaction. Removal of हाइड्रोजन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन। मतलब ऑक्सीजन जुड़ना या हाइड्रोजन हटना, उसको भी आप क्या बुलाते हो? ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव सोडियम हाइड्राइड एंड वी आर कैरिंग आउट डिफरेंट प्रोसेसेस एंड एज अ रिजल्ट we are separating the sodium and hydrogen. So here on left hand side you can see that hydrogen is combined with sodium, but when we compare to the right side, sodium is alone and hydrogen is being liberated. So that means hydrogen is removed from sodium. So in this way we call as reduction. So this is, we have that oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen, or we can say removal of hydrogen, right? Similarly, if we talk about reduction, so how we are going to define this reduction? It is either addition of hydrogen, या तो इसको हम बुलाते हैं, जिस रिएक्शन में हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो रहा हो उसको हम क्या बुलाते हैं? रिडक्शन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we have sodium, we are combining it with hydrogen and we get sodium hydride. So here in this you can see that in sodium hydrogen is being added. So that means it is a kind of reduction, right? Similarly, we have another criteria, that is removal of oxygen, or it is removal of oxygen. For example, if I have magnesium oxide, I am heating it and magnesium and oxygen gets separated. So in this, on left hand side, magnesium is combined with oxygen, but if we compare to right, magnesium is present alone as oxygen is being separated. So this is also called as reduction, right? So likewise, oxidation, in reduction also we have two criteria. One is addition of oxygen, and in this we can say addition of hydrogen. Similarly here, removal of hydrogen, and here we have removal of oxygen. So both the definition specifies the oxidation and reduction, right? And when these reactions occur simultaneously, जब भी ये रिएक्शन एक ही टाइम पे होती है तो उस रिएक्शन को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। रिडॉक्स में RED मतलब क्या स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है? रिडक्शन। और OX क्या स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है? ऑक्सीडेशन। So when reduction and oxidation are occurring simultaneously, that is called as redox reaction. Let's take an example. Suppose I have CuO plus H2, right? These are my reactants. And the reaction occurs in such a way that it forms copper plus water. Now, let us compare the left hand side with the right hand side, or you can say reactants with products. In this, CuO forms Cu and O is being liberated. And here on left hand side we have hydrogen, पर राइट हैंड साइड पे देखें तो हमारे पास ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो गया है हाइड्रोजन में, राइट? तो अब यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? ऑक्सीजन रिमूव हो रहा है, और रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन को क्या बुलाते हो? रिमूवल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन को क्या बुलाते हो आप? रिडक्शन. सो दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या हो रही है? रिडक्शन. अब हाइड्रोजन यहाँ अकेला है और इसमें ऑक्सीजन ऐड होके वाटर बन रहा है, और एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन को क्या बुलाते हो आप? ऑक्सीडेशन. सो दिस इज ऑक्सीडेशन. So as you can see that both oxidation and reduction are occurring simultaneously, therefore the reaction is called as redox reaction. So I think you got it. So in any reaction when you get to see oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed or vice versa, so you can easily say that yes, this is getting oxidized and this is getting reduced. But what about this example? Tell me. Suppose I have Mg, or let us take sodium with Cl2 forms NaCl. Now my question is this, that is this a redox reaction? So you must be thinking that in this reaction you are not able to see any oxygen or any hydrogen involved. And as far as now we have done कि जहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन ऐड होती है दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन, हाइड्रोजन हटती है वो भी ऑक्सीडेशन, जहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन ऐड हो रहा है वो रिडक्शन, ऑक्सीजन हट रहा है वो भी रिडक्शन. पर इस रिएक्शन में तो आपको ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन दिख ही नहीं रहा. सो इज दिस अ रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन? तो ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक अगर आप इसको आंसर करोगे जितना मैंने आपको पढ़ाया अभी तक, तो आप यही बोलोगे कि नो मैम, दिस इज नॉट अ रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन बिकॉज इन दिस वी डोंट हैव ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. But it is incorrect. You know that this is also a redox reaction. So we have another criteria of defining the redox reaction. So in certain cases where you don't get to see the oxygen or hydrogen involvement, there we have a different concept to explain oxidation and reduction. So what is that? I'll write here only. So this is one concept on the basis of oxygen and hydrogen. We have another concept depending upon the electrons, which is called as electronic concept. And on the basis of electronic concept, the substance which loses electrons, there the oxidation take place. That means that substance is getting oxidized. And where you see that acceptance of electrons occur, that is called as reduction, right? So this is an electronic concept कि कहीं पे भी आप देख रहे हो कि electrons lose हो रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब वो substance oxidize हो रहा है, और कहीं पे कोई substance electron ले रहा है तो वो reduce हो रहा है. So this is another concept which is applicable when you don't get to see this oxygen and hydrogen involvement. So in this, you know that when Na reacts with Cl2, it forms Na positive and Cl negative in this compound. Now, we know that a positive ion is formed when a substance loses electrons. So that means sodium is losing electrons. And when it is losing electrons, that means oxidation of sodium is taking place. Likewise, chlorine is forming a negatively charged ion, that is anion. So which is formed when it is gaining electrons. So when a substance gains electron, that is called as reduction. So I think you got it, that how this reaction is called as redox reaction. One more term we have oxidizing agent and we have reducing agents. We have oxidizing agent and we have reducing agent. Now what is these oxidizing or reducing agent? Okay, tell me, answer this. What is a traveling agent? Who is a traveling agent? Obviously a person who is involved and is like a guide to you, right? Or you can say he makes you travel different like places. That is a traveling agent. Or he books a ticket for you. So that means he is an agent. He is helping you in doing that traveling part, राइट. सिमिलरली ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट क्या होगा? अ एजेंट विच कॉजेज द ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ द सब्सटेंस, जो किसी सब्सटेंस की ऑक्सीडेशन कराएगा एंड इन रिटर्न itself will get reduced. That means a substance which will oxidize the other and in return it will itself gets reduced. And the reducing agent, again the name is reducing agent, that means it will reduce the other substance and it itself gets oxidized. So whenever a redox reaction occurs, there is an oxidation and reduction. So in a similar manner we have a oxidizing agent and we have a reducing agent. Look at here. So in this substance is getting reduced, right? So this is an oxidizing agent because itself it is getting reduced, but it is oxidizing hydrogen because it is liberating oxygen. Likewise, in this, hydrogen is a reducing agent because it is getting oxidized but making the other substance reduce because it is taking the oxygen of copper. So that means it is reducing this copper and this oxygen is being attached to hydrogen now. So that means itself it is getting oxidized. So you can also keep in mind like that, जिस सब्सटेंस की ऑक्सीडेशन होगी दैट इज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, राइट, और जिसकी रिडक्शन होगी दैट इज एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. सो आई थिंक यू गॉट इट दैट व्हाट इज ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन based on this oxygen hydrogen, that is classical concept, and based on this electronic concept. And I think you are familiar with these terms also, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So now it's time to look on the activity based on this redox reaction.